Assalamu alaikum. I am Tuba Idris and I am your biology tutor. Dear students, I am going to take a look at a very important topic of biochemistry that is related to biomolecule is lipids. So, what is lipids? How lipids are formed and what is their significance in our daily life? Okay, so let's begin with the lipids, its definitions. So, what are lipids? Lipids are actually organic molecules containing carbon and hydrogen and oxygen. So, like carbohydrates, they are made of these three elements, but lipids contain a much lower proportion of oxygen. Means if a lipid contain 57 carbon, so maybe he only contain 6 oxygen atoms. So, as compared to carbon, lipids have a very few proportion of oxygen atoms. Okay. Okay. Now, moving towards key properties of lipid. What? So the first is they are insoluble in water. Okay, we cannot dissolve lipids in water. The second is hydrophobic, means they are water repelling or water hating molecules. They are only soluble in organic solvents such as ethanol and propanol. We also called it acetone and ether. So, their solubility in organic solvent is used in the emulsion test for lipids. Emulsion test is actually just to check the presence of lipid molecules. In upcoming later part of this video, we will discuss it. Okay. So further, we are going to discuss the fats and oil. What are fats and oil? Fats and oils are compound known as triglycerides, also called triglycerols. They are formed through a condensation reaction in which water will be removed. So we have to look at how triglycerol will be formed. What type of molecules or what are involved in the formation of triglycerol? Actually, in triglycerol, one glycerol molecule combines with the three fatty acid molecules. As that, we get water molecule that is removed. So the product form is triglyceride. This is a simple equation that actually describes the formation of triglyceride. First one is glycerol plus, plus three fatty acids. And we get triglyceride and three water molecules are removed. So this is here is the formation of triglyceride. Actually, this is the structure of all these molecules that actually demonstrate how bond, what type of bond are formed between glycerol molecule and three fatty acids molecule. Actually, in the bond that is present between glycerol molecule and three fatty acid molecule is actually a ester bond. Okay, and the ester bond is actually formed between the hydroxyl group of glycerol molecule and a hydroxyl group of fatty acid molecule. Okay, and both will be combined. As that, water is released and bond is formed. So, one glycerol molecule is actually combined with the three fatty acids molecule, and we get triglycerol. So, because of three fatty acid, we call it triglycerol. If we have two fatty acid, we call it diglycerol, or if we have only one fatty acid, and we call it monoglycerol. So, okay, now will further explain the ester bond formation. An ester bond is formed between carboxyl group of a fatty acid and a hydroxyl group of a glycerol. So both are react with each other. You can see here, this is a carboxyl group, general formula of carboxyl group. This is general formula of hydroxyl group. And both are combined and form ester bond. As a result, water will be released. Okay. Now moving ahead, I am going to discuss difference between fats and oil. Although both are triglycerides, but there is the same basic chemical structure difference. Okay, so first, the fats actually solid at room temperature, approximately 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, and oils are liquid at room temperature. So fats are commonly found in animals, while oils are found in plants. So now moving to the last part of the video, that is about American test for lipids. So the principle of American test for lipid is lipids dissolve in ethanol but doesn't dissolve in water. Okay. Now what's the procedure? In American test, we have to add a small amount of sample to absolute ethanol and shake thoroughly to dissolve any lipids present and an equal volume of cold water. And then we have to observe the result. So what will be the result? Okay, the result will be positive if a cloudy white suspension forms. This means this occurs because lipids are soluble in ethanol but insoluble in water. So the negative test what happened? The solution remains clear and transparent. There is no any cloud formation. Ethanol and water mix completely when no liquid is present. Okay, so if and cloudy white suspension will be formed when liquid is present. Liquid is present because we have to check the sample. This sample. We will just check that sample is a liquid or not. If this sample will be a lipid, then we get a cloudy white suspension. So the result will be positive. But if we have a transparent result, means clear solution. So it means that sample is not a liquid. It means lipid is absent. So that's all for today's video. I hope you understand it well. So dear student, don't forget to share, subscribe and like my video. If there is any type of query, you can comment me. I will reply you back. Thank you very much.